Hey everyone, we're going through the Acer Swift Go 14 AI today, which is the smaller sibling of the flagship Acer Swift 14 AI that we previously reviewed. Despite being marketed as a less expensive choice, the Swift Go 14 AI maintains its state-of-the-art performance and technology. This laptop is designed for people who want the best possible balance between portability, price, and contemporary features for work and study. Let's test what distinguishes the Swift Go 14 AI in the cutthroat laptop industry. The Swift Go 14 AI's sleek, contemporary style immediately makes an impression. Its aluminum chassis ensures dependability for consumers on the road by providing both endurance and a high-end appearance. The metallic edges are functional, yet offer a sense of refinement. The 180-degree hinge makes it easier to view shared files and collaborate on presentations. The incorporation of Microsoft Copilot is one of this laptop's most notable features. Video conferencing, graphic design, and text editing are all made easier by this AI-powered assistant. Acer's Sense AI technology also improves the user experience by adjusting the AI activity meter built into the touchpad according to usage. The Swift Go 14 AI includes all the connectivity features a modern user may want. Stereo speakers, a USB 3.2 Type-A port, and two USB-C ports that support USB 4 are located on the left side. Additional speakers, a combined audio jack, and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port are located on the right side. Additionally, the laptop has a 14.5-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, providing 100% sRGB color coverage and vivid images. Its 120 Hz refresh rate guarantees seamless performance for both entertainment and creative applications. The newest Snapdragon X Plus CPU, which has an 8-core architecture, impressive graphics performance is provided by the inbuilt Adreno GPU, which can handle tasks like 3D rendering, high-end gaming, and the production of multimedia content. These elements work well together to balance energy efficiency and performance. With up to 28 hours of video playback or 20 hours of web browsing on a single charge, the battery life is yet another impressive feature. The laptop is always prepared to keep up with your pace thanks to the fast charging technology, which allows for 4 hours of use after just 30 minutes of charging. A 1TB NVMe PCIe Gen 4 SSD and 32 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM are also included with the Swift Go 14 AI, guaranteeing sufficient memory and storage for demanding applications. A Wi-Fi 7 module with GT Booster AI flow support, which intelligently prioritizes network traffic, and Bluetooth 5.4 with LE audio support, which provides improved sound quality and multi-stream audio, facilitating connectivity. Acer has improved consumer convenience by integrating a variety of AI features. While Acer's Perfect Voice 2.0 technology lowers background noise during calls, Microsoft Copilot helps with daily chores. Advanced search capabilities across files and material are made possible by laptops' AI specs, which also include natural language recognition. With all of these cutting-edge technologies packed into a small, lightweight form, the Swift Go 14 AI is the perfect partner for professionals, learners, and artists. This laptop ensures users stay busy and connected wherever they go by embodying modern innovation without breaking the bank. The Acer Swift Go 14 AI ought to be at the top of your list if you're looking for a gadget that combines state-of-the-art AI, strong performance, and stylish portability. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and God bless you.